Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the essentials and taking the first actions immediately. You should sign into the correct Pubg account and confirm email verification. This avoids account flags. Next, make sure your connection is stable. Use Wi-Fi or a 4G hotspot with at least 5 Mbps, because intermittent packets trigger safety checks. Finally, close background apps and note any recent device or permission changes, since those are often the root cause. Once done, move straight to the deeper fixes I'll show next. You now perform the detailed execution steps to remove the safety observation. First, update the Pubg app and your device OS. Outdated binaries often trigger safety audits. Then clear the app cache via settings to remove corrupted session data. This forces a fresh server handshake. After that, revoke and regrant key permissions like storage and microphone so the game re-establishes secure access. Make sure to restart the device after each major change. This helps the system apply permissions and network. You finish by applying the last corrective actions and a single troubleshooting tip. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall Pubg, backup settings and accounts first, because a fresh install clears stubborn integrity flags. Then run a quick network diagnostic and, if appropriate, try Google DNS 8 to avoid ISP routing glitches. Finally, contact Pubg support with device logs, timestamps, and screenshots. Include what you tried. If support stalls, the key tip is to provide logs promptly. Developers use those.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.